Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes, ninth class. Ninth class, we are reading part A, communication. In this, my third chapter is perspective in communication. Perspective means what we think, what we imagine, and what is the reality. In this, we have a story in the first. In this, a son is suffering from the disorder. He's he is a mentally problem, so nobody allow to play them with her or his children. They think they will become violent if we play with him. अगर वो उसके साथ खेलेंगे तो वो भी वायलेंट हो जाएंगे, वो भी गुस्सा करने लगेंगे, उसके जैसे हो जाएंगे. So perspective communication is an individual's point of view through which we interpret and understand every communication and event happening around us. In this, what we think about any event happened around us. This is not reality. What we think and what we feel. Different people have different perspectives as everyone sees things different from others. We convey and interpret messages through the filters of our knowledge, beliefs and motives. What we have in our mind, we make it according to our mind. These filters from the basis of our perspective reflect the way we see the world, the way we think about the persons we are communicating with, and the way we communicate with them. If we feel good about anyone, we talk them. If we not feel good about anyone, we will not talk them. Like two person are standing and there is only one number 6, but one person is saying it's 6 and one person is saying it's 9, because one person is thinking about 9, so he think about 9, and one person is think about 6. Factors affecting perspective in communication. First, visual perspective. What we see. Our brain processes the information seen through the eyes and interpret it. Visual perspective refers to focus only the parts of a scenario that we are most inclined to notice. Let us understand the concept of visual perspective from the example. Look at the given figure. What you see in this? What do you see? One of two black faces in the foreground with a white background. The other is of a white base in front of with a black background. We usually see only one of the perspective at first. The second visual is after some time or when someone tell us to observe more. पहले हमने इसमें क्या देखा, एक वाइट बैकग्राउंड पर एक ब्लैक फेस बना हुआ है. आफ्टर दैट इफ एनीबडी टेल अस, देन व्हाट वी थिंक कि ब्लैक के ऊपर वाइट बना हुआ है. सो हमारी थिंक उसको विजुअली हम उसको कितना एब्जॉर्व कर पाते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है पर्सपेक्टिव के हम क्या देखते हैं और उसके लिए हम उसका क्या सोचते हैं. इन दिस लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो परफॉर्म a particular role. If you are not understanding the proper language, you are not able to get it. Like we write hello in so many languages, so you are not able to get it. Perspective play a role in the interpretation of word as well. Some words can have very difficult meaning depending how we interpret them. Larry Barker said, effective listener remember that word have no meaning. People have meaning. Means if you are not able to understand anyone's meaning, no problem. People is for understanding. If you feel people is good, then you can talk him. This assignment of meaning term is an internal process as meaning comes from inside us and also our experience. What we think, what we feel. If we feel this he is a good person, he never harm me. So if we don't know the language, but we will talk with him, we will want to go attach. Consider the statement. There is a statement, the man is fair. Now word is similar, the man is fair, but we are going to express in two way. The man has fair complexion, or the second, man is biased, he is not fair. So everything depend on our mind, what we think, what we feel, what we execute. Next thing, past experience. Whatever happened in our past life, it will become our future. We enter a situation or communication with certain expectation of what will happen and behave accordingly. These are based on the filters on perspective that we have developed due to our past experience. Like whenever we enter in the class, वी स्पोक इन द क्लास एंड द क्लास लाफ्ड। अगर हम क्लास में आए और क्लास हमारे ऊपर हंसती है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम क्लास में कभी कुछ नहीं बोल पाएंगे, हमें हेजिटेशन होगी क्लास में कुछ बोलने से, क्योंकि हमारा क्या है, परसेप्शन बन चुका है कि ये हम लोगों पर हंसने वाले हैं, तो वो परसेप्शन हो जाता है। सेकेंड थिंग, क्लासमेट रिफ्यूज द लास्ट टाइम यू आस्क हिम टू गिव हिज साइंस बुक। आपने जब किसी से साइंस बुक मांगी तो उन्होंने नहीं दिया, तो हमारा क्या परसेप्शन हो जाएगा कि हम दोबारा उनसे साइंस की बुक नहीं मांगेंगे, क्योंकि पता है कि वो नहीं देंगे। Next thing, attitude. All of you know about this word. What is the meaning of attitude? Attitude means what is your confidence. If you are positive, then you think positively. If you are negative, then you think negatively. So many times you listen about a glass half full of water. Then if anybody is positive, then he think half full, it's enough. If anybody is negative, then he think it's half empty. So it is depend on our mind, what we think, what we feel. Prejudice. Prejudice is an idea or opinion that is not based on fact, logic or experience. Prejudice is considered a negative attitude, especially when it is related to hatred or intolerance for certain group of people. Prejudices are partly due to culture and partly due to personal preference. When we act on our prejudice, then it becomes discrimination. When we discrimination, we make decision without trying to find all the necessary information about person or the group that we are judging. Prejudice means if this is related to negative attitude, if anything happened wrong in our life, we become negative, we think negative about this is not good. Like social status, gender bias. If you feel you are girl and you are not able because of past experience. Our attitudes, especially abled people. Next, environment. Do you speak to our parents in the same way that you do to your friends? So many times I ask to you, be respectful for everyone and give respect to everyone, because like you are talking to your father, you are not talking to your teachers. You say yeah whatever, but this is not a good way. This is become on the environment. At home you feel you can't express your thoughts, at class you feel you can't express your thoughts. So this is the environment become your perception. It will depend on environment. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.